Hello guys, this is Google Gemini AI image generator tutorial. So, in this video you will learn how to generate images using Google Gemini. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to google.gemini.com and you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, you'll have to simply click on the new chat icon at the top. Now, in the Ask Gemini section, you'll have to basically navigate there, place your cursor and type in generate an image. Then this is the prompt that you're going to use, and after that you'll have to basically describe what kind of image you want to generate. For example, I want to generate an image of a jaguar sitting on a car. So I will type in generate an image of a jaguar sitting on top of a car. Then I will click on this submit button. After this, Gemini will instantly create an image using its AI power. As you can see, this is the image that Google Gemini just generated. So you can do the same again and again. You can simply type in generate an image and then describe what kind of image you want to generate. What you can also do is just below the image that you generated, you can type in using the above image, just adjust the background to a Californian desert and the camera little wide. And you can click on submit. So you can also edit this image that you just generated using the same feature, that is Gemini AI. As you can see, I just edited this image that we generated previously. Now you can click on this good response button to indicate that you are satisfied with this result. And if you're not, you can simply click on bad response. You can also click on the share and export button and you can share this conversation, export to docs or draft this in Gmail. If you want to download this picture, click on download full size button at the top of this image and it will be instantly downloaded onto your laptop. You can also click on this three dotted icon, that is the more icon, and copy this image, or if you are noticing any legal issues, you can simply click on this button and report the legal issue to Google. So that was all about Google Gemini AI image generator tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.